Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Chipotle's honey vinaigrette. To begin, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready. This recipe is straightforward, requiring just a few simple steps to create a delicious, restaurant-quality dressing right in your own kitchen. We will combine key components to achieve that signature sweet, smoky, and tangy flavor profile that makes this vinaigrette so popular. For this delightful vinaigrette, you will need 6 tablespoons of red wine vinegar and 3 tablespoons of honey for that perfect sweet and tangy balance. 2 chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, along with 2 small garlic cloves, provide the smoky heat and savory depth. You'll also need 3/4 of a cup of a neutral oil, like vegetable or avocado oil, plus 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, and 1/8 teaspoon of ground cumin to round out the flavors. Now let's get blending. Add the red wine vinegar, honey, chipotle peppers, garlic, salt, black pepper, oregano, and cumin into your blender or food processor. Process these ingredients until they are completely smooth and well combined. With the blender still running, slowly pour in the 3/4 cup of vegetable or avocado oil. This gradual addition helps to emulsify the dressing, giving it that creamy, consistent texture. Blend until everything is fully incorporated. Once your vinaigrette is perfectly blended, transfer it to an airtight container. You can store this delicious dressing in your refrigerator for up to 5 to 7 days, ensuring you have it on hand for several meals. Before each use, give it a good shake to re-emulsify any ingredients that may have separated. This versatile dressing is fantastic over fresh salads, hearty burrito bowls, or even drizzled on grilled meats and vegetables. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.